Not just a dress, an aura, an off-shoulder silhouette shaped for effortless elegance. Luxury fabric with fantasy twist. Feel unique, feel divine. High-quality material that catches light, not limits. Make the deep blue yours. Tap to shop.
Tired of scratchy yarn? Need the soft, vibrant blue yarn. Feel the plush texture as it glides across the needles. Colors so vibrant your beanies and blankets look photo ready. Durable, playful, made for makers. Knit cozy boy today.
Think knitting is hard? Watch this cute make a hat. Complete kit. Needles plus ultra soft teal yarn. Beginner friendly, simple steps, cozy vibes. Your new creative hobby starts here. Cute character design, comfy to hold, soothing to use. She knits a beautiful hat. Perfect cozy gift. Get the kit today.
Knock, knock. Let's do this.
I woke up crying. Hard. She sits beside me looking regal and kind. Luxurious fabric. Comfortable fit. Multiple sizes for every cat. Soft fluffy tail detail. In a cozy, warm ambiance. Premium pet apparel that comforts and turns tears into calm.
A beanie in my office.
It keeps me warm and brave.
Dress code says ties about pom-poms. Fine. The hat stays. Just be suitable.
Bad hair day? Formal fit, playful hair. What color fits your vibe? Have on, snug fit. No.
Tired of heavy, fake-looking extensions? Meet long, lightweight, natural glam. Chosen white for that sleek, luxe length, high-quality fibers. Easy picks, pays, and walks out flawless. Upgrade your look.
The color and care.
Pick a shade, make a mood.
We style joy, not just hair.
Share this vibe with someone you love.